Hey everybody, want to give you a little bit of a tutorial on something that may help you a little bit with the investigations homework that you'll have throughout this term. I know a lot of people have some issues when we first start, and then kind of once you get into it, it gets a little bit easier because you're used to seeing kind of how the questions are laid out. I know it's a little bit confusing. In your investigations manual, the questions aren't lined up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're kind of embedded in paragraphs that you'll have to answer. To kind of help with this, you can go online to the AMS website, and I'm going to provide the link and the username and password for students to be able to go on this. And I'm going to walk through, once you get to the web page, how you can find an actual sheet that will list the questions and have the multiple choice answers on there. Now you can either use that, like copy and paste and put it into Word and then send it to me, or you can just have it up and then just type it all out on a Word document and then send it to me that way. It's a little bit confusing with this being the summer term because they're not updating it currently on the website, so we're going to have to go back and look at the spring term. It's exactly the same, so no worries there. This is what you're looking at is the home page. When you log on, this is what you're going to see. So to get the questions that you want, go to this link that's down here. It says previous week's learning files, and we're going to go to spring 2014. You'll notice at the top here all of the weeks. So whatever week we're in, if you're still struggling with week 1, let's just use that for an example. You'll go to week 1, and then you'll see excuse me, investigations A and B. And when you click on that, there you'll see the list of questions that are going on here. Okay, so like I said, you can copy and paste this, and then however you want to do it, you can highlight it and change that as a different color for whatever answer you want, or you can just do a fresh Word document, use this as a guide, and then put in whatever multiple choice answer you believe that fits. Again, when you look in your workbook, it's all going to be kind of embedded in paragraphs here and there, so they're not going to be just you read through it and then you actually do the questions. Some other questions that I get about maps: you do not need to do maps to turn into me. So all I need from you is these answers here, these multiple choice answers. Now, some of these questions will need you to use the map. Look at a map that's on there. You may need to draw on that here and there. That may help you then to answer these questions, but I do not need you to turn in a map. I just need the multiple choice answers. Again, when you go back then and you need to go to a different week, all of them are on here and they should be able to assist you. If you go to, let's say, week 4, then you have your current weather studies, you have investigations A, investigations B. So you go through that, go ahead and answer that, and then you turn that in. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. It's mhbailey@midstate.edu. And that will go directly to me, or you can send a message directly to me via the module here, and I will get that as well. Hopefully that clears some things up for you as far as the investigations. And if not, feel free to shoot me a email, and I'll try to help you out.